Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now that it is winter, you should try this shrimp tofu stew. It is very tasty and a little spicy. I think you will love it. In today's episode, I am going to show you guys how to cook this. So now let's start. We first need to peel some shrimps. Don't forget to get rid of the shrimp knife. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil. Put the shrimp into the pan. Stir fry until the shrimps become pink. Turn off the fire and get the shrimps out from the pan. Now we need to cut some tofu into cubes. Crack an egg and pour it into the tofu. Gently mix a little bit. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil. Put the tofu cubes into the pan. Fry the tofu until they become golden. Turn off the fire and get the tofu out from the pan. Now prepare a pot. We first need to put some enoki mushrooms into it, then the tofu cubes, and then the shrimps. Mice some garlic and add it into the pot. Now we need to make the sauce. We need half a teaspoon of salt, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, some sugar, 1 spoon of ketchup, some water. Mix well and pour the sauce into the pot. Cover the pot and cook for around 15 minutes. In the meantime, we can chop some scallions and some red chilies. After around 15 minutes, put the scallions and red chilies into the pot. Cook for a short while and turn off the fire. It is ready. Trust me, it is very tasty. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.